All right, cool. So pick up myself some Tim Hortons cards that came out today. NHL, this year's NHL Upper Deck Tim Hortons cards. I've got 10 packs. I think I counted them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, cool. So yeah, we'll start cracking them open. I don't know if you want to read the odds, but they're there. Yeah, so it's going to be hard to get stuff like autographs and relic cards. So yeah, so we're gonna start cracking them open. Okay, so Ekman Larson, top 100, Tim Horton, the namesake, and Patrick Kane. Kuznetsov, game day action, Austin Matthews. So yeah, cool. And Hendrik Lundqvist. Oh, so what do we got here? Zetterberg. Ooh. Platinum profiles, Sidney Crosby. And Tyler Seguin. Kind of reached the halfway point. Here we go. Backstrom. Stat makers, Mark Scheifele. And Mike Smith, formerly of the Coyotes. Eric Stahl, game day action, Tyler Seguin, and Artem Perneri. Okay, so we reach halfway point. Pack number 6. Give me something good. So Shea Weber. Profiles, Carey Price, and Jeff Carter. What the heck? Oh, there we go. So we got Corey Perry, top 100, Alexander Ovechkin, and it's just a checklist, cool. And Ryan Johansson. Okay, Vincent Trocheck. Ooh. This is a triple exposure. Sorry. So those Lunchier cards. Excellent. Cool. And Devin Dubnik. 2 more packs to go. Right, so Jamie Benn, game day action, Aaron Ekblad, and Nikolai Ehlers. It's on the back. Oh, cool. Okay, last pack. If we get anything cool. So Mats Pacioretty, Stout Makers, Jeff Carter, and Steven Stamkos. So check out the inserts again. Top 100 Tim Horton. It's a checklist pretty much. Cool. Stat makers, Jeff Carter, game day action, Aaron Ekblad, Triple exposure, Max Pacioretty. Ooh. Probably. Yep. Top 100, Alexander Ovechkin. Platinum profiles, Carey Price. Game Day, Tyler Seguin. Mark Scheifele, Stat Makers. Platinum profiles, Sidney Crosby. And Game Day action, Austin Matthews. So not bad. All right, cool.